I joined eBay in October of last year, so this will be the start of my 4th month. My role is Head of Seller Experience. So basically, I'm responsible for the product and technology that we provide to our sellers, all of the seller tools. So the reason I'm in the UK was, one, to meet with the regional teams here and talk about our activation plans for the first half of the year. But it was also to meet with several of our UK customers to get their feedback, hear how they use our products, things that they'd like to see us build into the products. And that's a really important theme for me, is to, listen to our customers, understand what they like about our products, what they don't like, how we can solve those problems, how we can make our products better. And no better place than to talk to our customers. So before I joined eBay, I was at a startup broker-dealer, and we basically built a full carrying broker-dealer from the ground up, totally in the cloud, first time it was ever done, completely based on APIs. And the cool part was we broke down all the barriers to entry, so it was really designed at the next generation of investors, millennials, Gen Zers, where they could buy fractional shares, and they could easily link their bank accounts or their digital wallets. So the ability to move money in real time and invest was made super easy. And so those same kind of tools that I built there, I look forward to bringing over to eBay, because one of the things I want to do is encourage young generation to buy and sell on the platform, make it easy to purchase and to get paid when they sell. So using all of those same technologies that we did there, bringing them here. So my aim in this new role is to provide the best possible tools to our sellers, the best possible analytics. Again, in my previous roles, I built a lot of trading analytics. And so the key is to ensure that we're providing the best possible competitive information to our sellers so that they can list efficiently and basically get their products sold as quickly as possible.
Find out when new tips are published, subscribe to our channel on YouTube, and click the bell icon to enable notifications. YouTube will let you know as soon as new videos are available.